I got my Ninja Professional Blender 1000. Let's check it out. I'm super excited. I love smoothies. My daughter took our blender, which was actually her blender because she needed it where she was going. So she bought this one for me for Christmas. Thank you, Sweet Pea. Removing the contents, as you can see. And here we go, removing the blender. It looks a lot like my daughter's blender. We have this 72-ounce pitcher, the Ninja Stacked Blade. I can't wait to put the Ninja Blender 1000 to the test, blending a variety of smoothie ingredients to showcase its power and versatility. The motor base. Okay, let's get it set up here on my kitchen counter. I'm ready for a smoothie. Plug her in. Lower the pitcher onto the motor base and rotate the pitcher clockwise until it clicks in place. Place the blade onto the gear shaft inside the pitcher. Now it is smoothie making time with my Ninja Professional Blender 1000. Putting in all the contents I like for my smoothies: apple juice, almond milk, some non-fat vanilla yogurt. Just look at that healthiness. Blueberries are full of antioxidants, so I've got to have those, not to mention they're just so darn tasty. Strawberries too. Okay, I have all of the ingredients that I want in my smoothie, so we are going to put the lid on the pitcher, and we're going to align the arrow on the lid with the arrow on the handle. The handle should be in the upright position, then press the handle down to lock in place. We will first turn on the power. There are 3 settings for you to choose from: low, medium, and high. I am choosing high for my smoothie. I think the special part of this blender that makes it such a great blender is the stacked blade, which really takes and blends all of these frozen fruits very well. I chose to put in a bit more apple juice because I want my smoothie to be smooth. Look at the power of this Ninja. You can use the power button to stop the blending, or you can use one of the 3 settings for your blending to stop it. It is very easy to remove. Just turn the pitcher counterclockwise. Open the lid. I like my smoothies a bit thick, so it's not going to pour, but all you do is hit the release button to open the top lid, and then you can scoop it out if you like your smoothies thick like I do mine. This smoothie looks scrumptious. The stacked blade blended the ingredients perfectly. Nice and smooth. Yum. To sum it up, the Ninja Blender 1000 is a powerful, compact, and affordable option for anyone looking for a versatile blender. From smoothies to soups to frozen drinks, it does it all.
Tasty.